Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today it's round number 2, Nucore versus Lifeproof. It went to Nucore in round number 1, but it's a whole new ball game today. Round number 2, you're not going to want to miss. Who looks the best and why? You might be surprised.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Nucore versus Lifeproof. Which one looks the best? We went right to the source today to see what they have to offer as far as selection, because round 2 is all about the looks. We have a whole aisle. Actually, it's an aisle and a half dedicated to vinyl products at Nucore. It just goes to show you how popular this stuff is. Everybody wants waterproof vinyl flooring lately, and I can tell you, I installed some laminate. Was it yesterday, the day before? I did it, and it was as a barter. See my review. It was not a good product, and that was honestly probably the first time I installed laminate in a couple months. But let's take a look. We're here to talk about vinyl. Let's see what they got. I think I've done this one before now. It's too smooth almost. I think like plasticky kind of look to it. It just, to me, the problem I have with them is they almost look like plastic. I know I know it's a good floor because it's not gonna get messed up from water. It's gonna withstand moisture. You know, it's pretty good about scratching, denting. I mean, kids, pets, everything. But at the same time, I don't know, I trade off the look. I wouldn't even want to install this if somebody asked me to. It is just gonna show every footprint, every scratch mark. Nobody can live this perfect. If you're putting this on a wall maybe, and you wanted a shiny wall that no one was gonna put their fingerprints on, then maybe, but not to walk on. Almost too much texture with not enough distressing or anything else. You can see that. Again, it's just a plasticky kind of look. Remember this one? Yeah. Done a lot of mixed mocha. I like the splatted oak.
Now this is barnwood. The name is even barnwood. So that's total farmhouse.
And the texture on it is really, really nice.
That's why it's $3.69.
Is it thicker? I noticed with a lot of it's still 6.5 mil.
Yeah.
And it's no random width. There doesn't have any other bells and whistles. It just looks good. Its bell and whistle is it looks good.
And farmhouse is very on trend right now. So they're capitalizing on the fact that it's trendy.
So it's like its superpower is looks.
Yeah. Feel the texture on it. It's a lot more texture.
Its superpower is texture? Perhaps. One down, one to go. It's off to Home Depot we go. We're here at Home Depot to check out the Lifeproof now. Been to Nucore, now it's Home Depot's turn to show us what they have. Alright, so we're in Home Depot and we're searching for the luxury vinyl. Of course, had to make a detour through the tools section. No stop at Home Depot is complete without rummaging through the tool area. There we go. This is, no, that looks like tile. Here we go. No, that's Home Decorators laminate. After finding a whole aisle dedicated to Nucore at Nucore, I was surprised to find that Home Depot, not only did they not give it an aisle for Lifeproof, but they gave it a small section and mixed in Allure and Home Decorators with the Lifeproof. Hardwood. Oh, whoa, what? Jackpot. Finally. It's mainly Home Decorators and Allure. How many Lifeproof? I thought I hit the jackpot. I'm getting all excited. Getting ready to do a little dance, a little jig. As far as presentation is concerned, Nucore wins that one, hands down. But we're not doing presentation. We're doing which one looks the best. It's a little harder to determine which one looks the best because of the displays and being hampered, but I'm not going to let this handicap slow Lifeproof down. We're going to give it a fair review. And they don't like to do the beveled edges on these, I will say. A lot of true edges. What I like about it, when I look at it closely, is I really, I tell you what, I don't know if picture does justice. It does not look as rubbery as the Lifeproof. It's more of a matted finish. I really, really like the way that looks. I wish it had a beveled edge. As far as finish goes, I really, really, wow. They were hiding these on me. So, you see this? How would you describe this finish? See, it's so realistic. It's not like that. Remember how the rubbery one over there at Floor and Decor?
Yeah.
See how it's just a very, very realistic. Look at this one here. Hold on. This one even more so. You know how plasticky the other ones looked?
Yeah.
I mean, you can't tell me that doesn't look really nice.
Yeah. I told you Lifeproof does have it in the looks.
I mean, I'm not crazy about the edge. It's not beveled, but it doesn't have that plasticky look to it like a lot of the Nucores do. So the Nucore tiles, remember how they looked? They looked really good. Now I like all of the designs that Nucore has to offer. It just has that rubbery look. This one I'm not as crazy. I like the look of this one, but it's still, it does look really nice too. Look at the chatter marks here, the chatter marks on this.
Yeah.
Like they do on real wood. Decorators then. See, I just don't like how they mix in. You could think you're looking at Lifeproof if that's intentional or what. How they mix it in.
And then they got
Here's the seasoned wood. This is what all the hype is about. When it comes down to the finish and the actual look, this is a lot more realistic looking. If you're just flat out looking for something that looks better,
yeah. Like the picture looks like
the actual photograph and finish, like a higher resolution.
yeah.
It was hard to find. I did a lot of work to come and actually find the product in the store, but it was well worth the hunt. Looking for it. I found what I was looking for. I found the Lifeproof. It looks amazing. It looks better than what I expected. The winner and new champion of looks is definitely Lifeproof. And we have a new champ for round 2. It is a 1-to-1 tie. After two rounds, it's a 1-to-1 tie. Thinking we're going to be 2-0 here after 2 rounds, but nope, it's 1-to-1. Lifeproof commandingly takes round 2 when it comes to looks. This isn't options, this isn't bells and whistles or other intangibles like edges and stuff like that, different features that they offer. I'm talking actual picture of the product itself, the resolution, and the finish goes to Lifeproof. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss round number 3 where we put these 2 products head to head. You might be surprised to find out which is the most durable. It's going to be a real cat fight. Don't miss out on our everyday flooring, stair, and travel videos from Disney to destinations unknown, as well as our funny cat videos and our having fun videos.
He saw his toy. He's got it.
Oh, he just dropped his toy. Don't miss out on don't miss round number 3 where we put these 2 products head to head and find out which is the toughest. I know I got the toughest kitten here, but which of these floors will be the most durable?
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.